This is the Eufy Smart Lock E330. It's not just a lock, it's your front door control center. It's for people that want real security without giving up modern convenience, whether you're letting your kids in after school or letting that one guest in that always arrives home before you do. Keys get lost, codes get shared, deliveries get missed or taken. The E330 helps solve all of that right from your phone or your fingertips. It's also about knowing who's there and what's happening, irrespective if you're at home or not. First and foremost, it is a lock. Therefore, the lock is BHMA certified and IP53 weatherproof rated, simply meaning it's secure and built to last. Then it's smart. Firstly, you can unlock through one of 5 ways: fingerprint, PIN, app, voice, smartwatch, or as a bonus sixth, a key. Note, most of the features do require Wi-Fi, but in the case of emergency, if the battery does die, you can use the physical key to still gain entrance. The lock has a built-in 2K camera that gives you clear, crisp view even at night. It has smart motion sensors, which means fewer false alarms and alerts that actually matter. Everything is built in and it's completely standalone, meaning no extra wiring, no extra hubs, no extra boxes, just install it and go. Built into the E330 is 8 GB of onboard storage. If you do need more, you can use a HomeBase for expansion, especially if you're using other Eufy devices. Adding a HomeBase does give you access to BionicMind facial recognition. This gives you the ability to know that not just someone's at the door, but who or what. It's designed to fit standard doors, and with just a screwdriver, you can install it in under 30 minutes. Note that the E330 is not compatible with storm doors, and when installing, make sure that you have a clear, unobstructed view so that facial recognition and motion sensors will work as intended. Everything that you need to install is in the box. The lock, keypad, screws, battery, guide, all you need is a screwdriver. It is important to note that there are 2 USB-C ports. One that's built into the battery for easy and regular charging, and the other is built into the lock for emergency situations when you need to power the door on. Note that this will not charge the battery, it's just to give you power so that you can access the door, and it's best to use a battery bank for this. Setup is simple. Unbox, charge the battery, install the lock, and then install the app and follow its guide to select your preferred unlock method.